are live in Big Bear. Abigail's gonna go down the sledding hill. We are staying at the Rubicon. We had nice fresh snow last night. There's Daddy's truck all covered. Ooh, here she goes. Abigail's having fun. We have our own little sledding hill back here. It's pretty awesome.
Go, Abigail, go!
Woo! That was awesome!
You can do it.
I can't.
Yeah, you can. You're there.
Woohoo! Was that fun? Super fun.
I'm gonna have a snack break here. Snack break.
What are you having for a snack? Snow?
I'm coming to get you.
Yummy, yummy.
Oh, no!